Welcome to week 7. You're almost there. I know this last essay is more difficult, but you've come this far. Don't give up. You can do it. Last week, I encouraged you to get an early start on your research for this essay. If you followed my advice, you're on track. If not, you still have time to finish the project, but you'll need to work hard to do so. Remember that the deadlines cannot be extended simply because you ran out of time or failed to plan properly. Your research essay is perhaps the most important essay in this class because it will be the foundation of so many other projects that will be required of you in your academic career and perhaps even in your workplace. The pattern of development for this essay is persuasive argument. That means you are attempting to convince your readers that your thesis statement is the correct side of the argument. You'll do this by presenting borrowed information that supports your argument. You'll use this borrowed information in your essay in the form of direct quotes or paraphrased material. Whichever method you choose, or a mix, requires that you cite the sources properly using MLA format. You'll cite your sources in two ways. The first is with the in-text citations, sometimes called parenthetical citations, and the second is a works cited page at the end of your essay. Both are required. Remember that all of your sources will come from the CTC Library's collection of online databases. This will make your citations easier because you'll be working with only one kind of material. You need a minimum of 4 separate sources, but all could be 4 different articles from the same database or from different databases. You'll probably need to review 10 or 12 sources or more to find the 4 that you actually use in your essay. That's why this is a time-consuming process. I like to compare the research essay to a court trial. We have all watched television programs or movies of an exciting trial. In the case of your research essay, you are the attorney. Your argument, your thesis statement, is what's being decided, guilt or innocence of the charge. Your audience is the jury. The sources you find to include as quoted or paraphrased material within your essay are the evidence you're using. Your lead-in and commentary on your quoted or paraphrased material are the testimony you give regarding the evidence. Acknowledging the opposing view and explaining it away is the cross-examination by the opposing attorney and your redirection. Finally, the conclusion of your essay is your closing argument. This is your chance to win the big case. Read your textbook closely. Work through the exercises under lessons 6 and 7. Log on to the CTC databases and complete your essay in time to have your essay reviewed either by library staff or the writing lab or both. Following these steps will give you the best chance of earning your highest grade. Have a great week.